Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Chinese style chicken noodles. Without further delay, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, take 200 grams of boneless chicken. Cut it into strips and add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. In goes salt as needed. Add in 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce, half beaten egg, 1 tablespoon of maida and half a tablespoon of corn flour. Mix in all the ingredients and marinate it for 30 minutes. I have taken some spring onion, 1 carrot, half a capsicum, 1 cup of cabbage, 1 onion and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Cut the carrot and the capsicum into thin strips. Then we need 500 grams of noodles. With this measurement, 4 to 5 adults can have it. I'm going to cook the noodles first. For that, boil enough water in a pot and add in the noodles. Break the noodles slightly and add it. Add in salt as needed and 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Give it a mix and cook the noodles. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to cook the noodles. Just taste and check whether it's cooked or not. The noodles is cooked perfectly and switch off the flame. Strain the noodles and rinse it in water. I have added 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil and mixed it. By doing so, the noodles wouldn't stick to each other. Next, I am going to fry the eggs and the chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a wok. Mix in 3 eggs and salt as needed. Once oil is hot, add in the beaten eggs. Scramble the eggs by mixing it gently like this. The egg scramble is ready now and remove it from the pan. To the same wok, add in 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Add in the marinated chicken pieces. Shallow fry the chicken pieces at high flame. The chicken pieces will get cooked in 10 minutes. Vegetarians can skip adding the chicken pieces. The chicken pieces are fried perfectly and removed from the wok. To the same wok, add in 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Sort it nicely and add in all the vegetables. You can add spring onion later. I'm adding in 1 more teaspoon of oil. Sort all the vegetables nicely and cook it on high flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix well. In goes 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Add in 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. Sort it until everything combines well. Add in salt as needed. Soy sauce has salt in it, so add it accordingly. Add in 2 tablespoons of water and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. The veggies should be a little crispy, so make sure not to overcook it. Now add in the cooked noodles. Since we have rinsed the noodles in water and added oil, it didn't stick to each other. Mix the noodles nicely with the sauces with the 2 spoons like this. You can check for salt and add if required. Add in the fried chicken pieces and the egg. In goes the spring onion. Mix in all the ingredients and toss it for a couple of minutes and switch off the flame. Delicious Chinese style chicken noodles is ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.